Ooh. Hey YouTube. So I don't know if you guys can see me or not. Ooh. I don't know if I'm walking on the sidewalk or not. It's so bright outside because of all the snow. I'm going outside to crank. My daughter called since it's been sitting here a couple of days to make sure it's starting and let it run for a minute. I haven't been anywhere in a few days. I'm currently in the house trying to cook breakfast also. Whew. Oh, it started right up, y'all. Oh, let me show y'all what I got here. Can y'all see? Oh, about to fall. This is what it looking like. The streets are okay because people been driving through. Look at my footsteps out here. But it's kind of deep. Well, it's covering my feet up, if you can see. It's so bright out, you need some shades, and I don't know where my shades are because, you know, like when something be so white, it be super bright out. But this is what it's currently looking like. And all the snow's gonna go out here because I gotta find where my driveway is. I haven't been to work since Sunday. Dang, it deep right there. Woo! Y'all, it's like I'm sinking in the ground. Look. It's like I'm sinking in. But yeah, like I said, I know I'm gonna be stuck. Dang, it's deep right there. And we in Mississippi, and we're not used to this at all because it wasn't wet. So now it's getting a little bit harder. See, so you can make a snowball out of it. So I'm currently going back in the house, and I'm gonna get back to y'all when I show y'all if I'm gonna try to shovel this snow. I ain't never shovel snow, but it's time to learn. Alright, be back in a minute. So I'm back. I'm finna get ready to head back out here. The car been crooked up longer than I thought it would. It's been crooked up probably about 45 minutes now. So I'm finna go out here and cut it off. Let me take this trash out where I'm going. Hold on, y'all. Finna take this trash out. Look at my baby. Hey, wait, Aiden. Say hey. Say hey. He don't want to speak right now, y'all. So, let me see. I know I ain't gonna be able to, cause I gotta if I'm gonna go to work tomorrow. Oh shucks. I'm gonna have to be able to get out the driveway first off. So, therefore, I'm gonna have to. I know I ain't gonna be able to get out the driveway. I'm gonna have to. Where's my shovel? I had a shovel, y'all. So I think I'm gonna have to. Ooh, y'all, look at this. Y'all, wait. What is this on step? I'm about to break my neck. What is this? Y'all see that? A brick that I didn't even know was here or where it came from. There's some cords and everything. What is this? I'm about to break my neck over here, y'all. I have no clue. It was a shovel over there. Look. It's covered up in snow. Ha! Look, y'all see? It's so white all out here. Whole feet covered up back here for real. Oh, it's so cold. Oh. Do what I'm supposed to be doing while I'm playing. I'm gonna be a real snowman. Let me leave some of this big. I'm gonna be a real snowman today, y'all, for aim. Oh, I'm about to fall. Don't laugh if I fall, okay? At least I know I won't be hurt in this snow. So y'all, Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, oh, this seat started going back. Okay, let me turn these on. But y'all, and I know I'm about to get all this stuff off the wipers. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put my little handy dandy gloves on, and I'm gonna get out here and try to find me a shovel or something. I'm gonna try to get out here and find me a shovel, y'all. I know I had one, but it was over there, laying down over there. And I don't know. So I'm gonna try to find a shovel, and when I put this, once I do this video, I'm gonna show y'all what it was looking like as it was snowing, because I took a few little clips of that also. But it's, I mean, it ain't cold outside because the sun is shining, but you grab that snow, it's cold. And I mean, it would be a beautiful day if it, I mean, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day to be alive. But it's just the snow, and like I said, it's melting, so of course the temperature ain't gonna get above freezing night tonight. It's supposed to tomorrow. So in the morning, I'm gonna have to leave super early, because if I don't know how the road's gonna look. Because I've been informed by some people that have been traveling the road that I need to go to work, that they got one side of the road is clear, but the other side is not clear. And then my sister was telling me that people driving crazy and flying and stuff, and it's ice patches and all that stuff in the road. So see, stuff like that I don't have time for. They ain't try to go to work yet, because my life is more important and I ain't got time for it. So we gonna see what it do and what it look like in the morning. Or if my mind tell me tonight, don't even try it in the morning, then I'm gonna be at home. I don't know what that noise was. Something said boom. I don't even know what that was, but yeah, so anyways, what I did with that key? Okay, put that in my pocket. That's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try to find a shovel and get a little bit of snow out my driveway so I can see and I can get out the driveway, because guess what, with this snow like this right here, I ain't gonna be able to get out the driveway no way. So I might as well go ahead on. I know I got this thing right here, but that's just for to get it off the car. This right here, so that I can get that off my windshield. And see, that part right here is for ice, like scrape the ice off of it. I'm getting a double chin. I gotta lose some weight and do this right here. Do the exercise. Just smooth that out. I gotta do like this and make this turkey neck go away. So I got a gobble down there. Okay, guys, so I finally found my shovel. It was buried in the snow over there, just like I said. So I finally found it. I still haven't started doing anything because I just found it. And I've been making treks back and forth here. I built a snowman while I was trying to think. Look at this snowman. Hold on, because I got to be careful because it's the walkway. Look, y'all. Y'all like my snowman? I think I did a good job. What y'all think? Y'all like it? I do. I'm proud of myself. Snowman for Aid in 2021. Road right there. There's a truck just came through and got a lot of more stuff off the road, but you know, they just doing one side. So they just doing one side, y'all. Yeah, it's crazy. I'm gonna sit my camera right here. Let's sit my camera right here. Oh. So hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. Oh. I got my shovel and I'm trying to start shoveling. Yeah, they're gonna make it so ugly, y'all. They're gonna make it so dirty. Y'all, I ain't used to this. Not at all. I guess I probably get it out the driveway and dump it on the side where ain't nobody coming in again. Help a girl out, I don't know. Woo. I know I ain't trying to fall in the bus nothing. I know that much. I got too old for that. I done got too old for it, y'all. This snow is literally coming up to on top of my shoe. I don't know how well this gonna work out for me. Y'all, it ain't nothing but ice up under there. Let me see. Look. Okay, y'all. So I finally made a little leeway. A lot of leeway. Y'all, my crazy self thought I was going to have to from driveway to the road. Went all the time because I thought if I tried to bag up, I was going to get stuck. Went all the time. Y'all see this? Y'all see where I bagged up at? I bagged all the way up here. Because I was trying to basically mark where the ditch is. Because I can't tell. So I see that I stuck that right there the other day. But I don't think it's that far out. And I really can't tell how far the ditch is on this side. I can't tell. But I do see grass there. But I had walked over here, as y'all can see. And my foot went in. See how deep that was? My feet went in down there. So I'm scared to go over there because I don't know how deep where the ditch is. So I tried to mark it off with the car. But I'm thinking that I had to do that, y'all. Well, all the time. All I had to do was drive back. And I'm thinking when people like, you ain't stuck, are you? I'm thinking they talking about you could get stuck in the snow. They let y'all know nothing about that. So all the time, all I had to do was bag out. So now my tires are set. But in the morning, if I do decide to go to work, I do know I can bag out. And y'all had to dig this hump. Let me show y'all. At first, I couldn't even get over the driveway. Over this to in the road. I still didn't drive all the way in the road. But at least now I know I can't get in the road. So y'all, let me show you. I've been out here working. The sister girl is tired. See, you see all these clumps and humps and stuff right here? At first, that was in the driveway, like at the end of the driveway right here. So I was wondering why I couldn't bag over it. I mean, I wonder why I couldn't keep going out the yard. Y'all, I had to dig all this stuff and throw it to the side where I can make a way to get out. And this still ain't nothing but ice where my tire print was. Brad, see this mark right here? Most of the number of ice. You could get you a thing and slide down there. Look at that. It's pretty. I love the snow. So I'll probably go get out here and make me see. Nene had made a snow angel down there. You can still see the print. Well, Nene made two of them. One for her and one for Aiden. I had made one over there the other day, but it didn't got, they are so pretty. I put on my Instagram of me getting down and making one. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Stay warm and be safe out there. Talk to you guys later. Bye.